Ready to turn your clutter into cash or build a thriving online business? Let's unlock the secrets to making serious money on eBay. From selling everyday items to dominating niche markets first, the foundation: find items around your house you no longer need, old clothes, electronics, even books. Taking great photos is key. Use natural light, clean backgrounds, and showcase the item's best features. Then, create compelling listings. A good description should be detailed, accurate, and include relevant keywords people will use when searching for your item. Research similar items to see what prices they're selling for. Market research is essential. Identify underserved niches, for instance, vintage camera accessories or specific collectible toys. What are people searching for that has limited competition? Offering exceptional customer service and fast shipping will generate positive reviews. Happy customers are repeat customers. Expand beyond selling physical items. Offer services. Can you repair electronics, create custom artwork, or provide virtual assistance? eBay is a marketplace for skills too. Explore niche markets: vintage clothing, collectible coins, rare books. These often have higher profit margins. Stay updated on eBay's policies and promotions to maximize your reach. With smart strategies, thorough research, and dedication, you can build a profitable eBay business. Now go get selling. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on online selling.